Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix STALCRAFT X game not launching or not opening, won't start, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So you have to make sure your PC have all these required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, the next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game as admin. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So search for the game application first. After that right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. The game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. Next is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that go to the search option, search for device manager. Here expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to fix the problem. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search for settings. After that here you have to search for graphics settings, open it. After that here you have to add your game to the list. For that click on add a desktop app. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, just you have to select it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check for Windows update. For that go to the search option, search for settings. After that here you have to click on Windows update and click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check. Next method is to close unnecessary background apps. So for that go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given the link in the description. You just have to simply copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. After you get successful message, close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall STALCRAFT X game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.